Hello and welcome to Ecom Premium with this latest new video of how to reduce space above my newsletter. This question was asked by Ahmed Akram on official Shopify community. So we are going to have a look at how this thing can be achieved. So for this we have to open a store already. Shopify dropshipping store we have already. So here you see he is asking about I want to reduce this space above my newsletter in desktop as well as mobile. Please help me out. So what space he is asking to reduce? So here let's see and go for it. We are basically doing tutorials every day on our this live Shopify development store with everyday new video of custom CSS coding. So here you see this is the footer section and here is a newsletter. So he's inquiring about this page, right? So we'll be inspecting this. Right click on this section newsletter, and when you right click, just click on this arrow and just click on this, so it will give us this whole section. So in here you have to get the newsletter section from here, just like this. So we got the newsletter section class by double clicking on it. Just copy this class, right? And from here you see we are going to make this thing like this is padding is now 39, and you see there is effects happening, and we are changing the values from 40 to 35, and here the space is being, this padding is basically for inner section. So this is the top padding, right? So here you see when we are giving it some values, like if we are reducing the values, then the padding inside the section is happening, right? So we'll be concerned with the space above this newsletter section, above this footer and below this newsletter section. So we'll be concerning with the margin bottom for this section. So we'll see further if there is some margin bottom options available here. If not, you can just click this section, right? In the section here you can just simply write margin bottom and then 10 pixels, right? So here you see we have given it margin bottom 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, -1. So as close as you want you can make it, right? Just like this. So this way you can reduce the spaces between different sections, all sections in your latest OS 2.0 theme. Just copy this. Also settings, CSS settings, and you know that we have already copied this section, but for our convenience we will again copy it. After copying it, go to your store, just make it close and refresh it once. When you refresh it, you see the spaces gone back. So we'll be implementing it right now on our store. Here click on online store themes in the admin section of Shopify, then on your published theme click on edit code. Always remember you have to put the code in assets CSS file in the assets of your store. So for us we are going to assets section inside the theme architecture. So when you are going into the theme side, here you will see different folders, layout, template, sections, snippets, assets, config, local. So we'll be concerning with assets. Inside the assets for OS 2.0 latest themes, free themes in the Shopify, you will see this file base.css. Some stores has the file with the name theme.scss, theme.css or base.css. Just open it, drag it till end. In the end, you just have to write something like you have to paste this thing, and for this to be work you have to remove all the spaces something like this. So if spaces are removed here, and you can just press enter, open a bracket, and then paste the code we have copied like this, and then close the bracket like this, and then save it. Once you will save it, you see as it saved here without any error. So here you see the space was like this. Now if we refresh it after coding, you see the live effects have been added to our live Shopify store. So this was the way of adding custom CSS coding for reducing the spaces above footer and below the newsletter section. You can do this thing for all other sections, these spaces between it for your whole store. Thanks for watching. If you like the video of custom CSS coding daily, we are going to create one video. So hopefully if you subscribe our channel, we will be looking forward to much more customizations, like how to give custom background colors, how to give text values, anything custom that came into your mind regarding Shopify store development. You can ask us in the comments. We will be definitely going to create another video for your specific questions on over this live Shopify store with OS 2.0 themes. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.